on April 1st then.
Yeah.
Ah, hold on. Let me fix my hair.
Look down. I'm recording.
Apparently today was my last day of class. I could have sworn that it was next week. I really enjoyed this class. Okay, I gotta go. Bye bye. What is this traffic? My first time trying a cannella. I had to document. I've been to it. It looks like a heart. I got a new shower curtain because I wanted to put more color in here, and also I wanted more flowers. I feel like the quality is okay, so I don't know if that will hinder me from keeping it, but I think the pattern's too cute. I think because of that I have to keep it. What do you do with old shower curtains? Ja, 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 ja. Isn't this so pretty? These are all gonna be gifts. Oh, I have nothing. What are you doing? I'm gonna prepare some little gift bags. Malls. I guess malls too. These AOU lip balms in here. Cute organza bags. I got some capsule toys because I feel like these are very popular. Like, I feel like any age group, people like these. I thought that was a safe bet. Got quite a few. Of course, I had to get myself something. Snoopy's so cute. This is the current sandwich situation. I am making, can you see them? Strawberry sandwiches. I'm making these a bit later in the day, just so I don't get too much of that fridge taste, and so I can still cut them tomorrow. I've been cutting my breads with a scissor. I can't say it's as pretty though. I have a picnic tomorrow, or a picnic tea party, and I'm preparing the sandwiches. For some reason, my fruits are always like way too big, which is a good thing, I guess, but it's like, it's hard for them to look at the product, if that makes sense. Wait, I'll show you. Strawberry. Whoa, what was that sound? Scary. More cream. Okay, a thick sandwich. Ta-da! And then I'll make the egg sandwiches tomorrow. Okay, let's hope this turns out good. Oh my goodness. How cute. One sandwich done. I just realized, what if I'm cutting it the wrong way? Oh no. Oh shoot, I cut it the wrong way. Oh my goodness. Ta-da. This one, hopefully, we don't need that many sandwiches. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So this one's a bit upside down. At least 3 of them came out really well. I mean, we're not gonna eat that many sandwiches. I already feel like 3 is a lot. So many eggs. Lots of mayo. It's like 1 tablespoon per like 2 eggs. A little bit of salt. The tiniest amount of sugar. You kind of want it like this texture. Make sure not to squish them, because when we cut it, it's gonna overflow. So many sandwiches.
Oh my goodness. So pretty. And then I'll turn this way. Super cute. That's really cute. Or is that too dangerous to film on the internet? We have socks. I do a pan. This is from CeraVe. If you ever see it, you have to try it. Ah, these are so good. I accidentally dropped my other one, so I'm kind of sad, but I have a few more. I feel like they don't usually get like most of their Asian flavors right, but I feel like this one's pretty good. This is like the only one I really accept. So good. A little bit texture too. Hello. I just woke up from a nap a while ago. And we have some old bananas. Oh! Okay. I'm gonna be going to the Philippines with my brother in less than a week. So I've just been on the down low. Also, I'm just eyeballing this. I think as long as you know your techniques, I think if you know the ratio and you know like how it affects each other chemically, I think you can make a recipe. Baking is a lot of science. To me, it's like an art and a science. I would give the recipe, but this is not really a recipe because I didn't measure out anything.
Alex!
Yes?
Almost 5 days! Ow!
The stars are high, the night is clear. Stay a while.
Ta-da! This used to be my favorite cereal.
That is my favorite cereal.
There's Minecraft on the back.
Minecraft.
I'm so glad that Minecraft has lasted for as
I
long
think
as it
it's
has.
gonna last forever. I'm not gonna
That
lie.
was my childhood.
Stay, stay, don't say goodbye. Love like this won't pass us by. A single touch, a quiet sigh. The world fades when you are mine.
I think I mentioned in a previous video that I'm getting back into art again from the other day.
Let's not waste this sweet romance.
I already took a bite.
Stay,
$5 camera.
stay a while.
I feel like I really like that video.
Wow, Daddy posted it on Instagram.
He did? By this time next week, I'm gonna be in the Philippines, so I'm not sure if there'll be a video or not.
Hey, Daddy,
I'll do my
accept
best.
follow request.
Okay. Have a good week. Bye.
Is it Bondoc?
Pa pa pa.